Welcome back to my videos, and today I will be showing you some slimes that I like and some squishies that are my favorite, and slimes too. Some slimes are from a few friends or slime trades, and yeah, so let's just get started. Okay, that was cringy. Let's just get started. So my first slime that I like, I'm going to smallest and biggest, is this slime trade from my friend. It's really glittery. It has silver glitters and it's blue and it's glow in the dark. So yeah. Okay, that is cringy. So let me just do some ASMR, and first we're going to do the stretch because why not, right? So that's how stretchy it is. It has gel beads. I put the gel beads. So that's how stretchy that is. And in the background noise, just don't listen to that because they're just watching some Netflix. No, they're watching normal TV. I feel like if it's a show, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so now, okay, it's getting in my pants. So now we're gonna do some ASMR. Okay guys, so here is my floor. So let me just put the slime here, and it's super pretty. So I really like this slime a lot because it's super glittery, and okay, sorry about that. Okay, so okay. So this for this slime that I really like. For my second slime is this purple glossy slime. That I made. I don't know how I made this glossy slime, but I just put glue and some water and glitter, and this is how I made. Okay, sorry, I'm just kind of looking at the camera, and it's really pretty, and in person it looks much shinier. I really like it. Okay guys, so this is it. Still really like it, and I hope you guys liked this slime also. And it's really pretty and cute. And then we just move the light, and yeah, it doesn't really make farting noises, but it does have like, you can definitely hear. So yeah, it's really pretty. There's a container I put it on, and okay, I have some slime in my finger there. Okay, that's fine. The next slime I like is on this big container that I put it on, and let's just open this. And I can't really open it, but it's so pretty. It's like a glossy slime, but not really. So yeah. Can you see, guys? I don't think you can guys see, but this is the slime. So yeah, I really like it. It's my favorite. All the ones I showed you are my favorite. Not only this one. Oh, sorry guys. I didn't realize that. So guys, if you like this slime, just give it a thumbs up because I like this slime. Oh, and guys, I made this slime by myself. If you like it, if you did, give this video a big thumbs up. So now we're done playing with this slime, and let's get moving on with the squishy. Sorry. Okay guys, now let me just move my it's because I have this light here and I'm kind of just moving it. Is that better? Wait a minute guys. Okay, let me just put this freaking make me taller because okay, is that better? But now my light, I don't know how I'm gonna put my light like that. Like that. And I have this light. It's my clock. It's blue. And it changes colors. Okay, so that's better. Okay, so my favorite squishies are this scented strawberry. It smells so nice. I love it so. So I like squishing it. I got it for Christmas. So pretty. Wow! Did you see that? And it has some defects in the squishy side. I'm just trying. So sorry about that. My mom just came in and she wanted to make a video. She just got out of my room. Okay. So it has this defect because it was coming off literally in the ship. Like this was like falling apart. So I'm just like, boop, I just get off. And it also had a charm here if I can hang it on my backpack. Why don't they just put the charm here if I can be straight, not like this, or like this actually. So I just took it off because what if I want to squish it, that little stick is going to come out. Like, just bother. So now, this squishy, I got it for my birthday. It's my birthday. I'm just kidding, it's not my birthday. But I got it in my birthday. Okay, let me just change my lighting. My light, there. So this is a Squish Delish Shopkin. And actually, these are pretty expensive. This was $10. Like this and it got pretty hard now. It's hard and it has defects. Look at those. Look at those. And here, it was actually white, but I colored it with my markers, my Sharpie markers, because it just didn't go there. So yeah, I just squish her face. Boop. Then I just do that again. I'm rolling it into a ball, and let's see how it can escape. Okay guys, so this is my end of my videos. Was that good? Was it good or bad? Good or bad? Good or bad? And guys, I have braces on. So, and I'm barely 10. People think I'm in 4th grade because I failed one time because I didn't really go to school because I was always sick and they had to fail me. Like, I was sick. That's why I hate being sick, but I love missing to school. So that's why. And a lot of people are like, you're 10 and you have braces on. Like, I just don't understand. And in a while they're gonna hurt me the bottom braces. Because as you can see, my teeth are crooked. So here I'm gonna end the vlog. And if you like my videos, give it a thumbs up and comment down below. What's your favorite squishy? Is it Squishdelish Shopkin, this Jello, or this strawberry? It's scented. Do you want to smell it? Do you want to smell it? Boop. Smell it. Magic. No, I'm just kidding. Or do you like this cover? Oop. Diamonds. This is my old phone. It's actually broken from the camera. That's why I don't really use it. So, yeah, comment down below if you like this one, or this one, this strawberry, or this Jello. So, comment down below now. And I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Oh, okay, let me just go like this. Whoop. Okay, I paused the wrong button. Whoop.